There's a moment every man experiences yet almost never recognizes. A moment that slips between words, between glances, between breaths. A moment when a woman suddenly becomes more open, more expressive, more emotionally available than usual. And it doesn't happen because you impressed her or because you flirted well or because you looked good. It happens because for a brief instant, something inside her felt invited to come forward. Something felt safe. Something felt understood. Most men will live their entire lives never triggering this moment on purpose. They will stumble into it by accident, miss the signs, and walk away never realizing they stood on the edge of real connection. And it's not because women are complicated. It's because men rarely ask the questions that make women unfold. Women don't open up because you're attractive. They don't open up because you're confident. They open up because you activate their inner world. You make them think. You make them feel. You make them remember. You make them imagine. The difference between a man she forgets and a man she can't stop thinking about is not charm, not money, not lines. It's the emotional experience she has in his presence. Most men talk to women as if they're filling time. High V value men talk to women as if they're exploring depth. And depth is what women crave more than anything. There are certain questions a woman loves to answer because they allow her to reveal the side of herself she keeps hidden from the world. Questions that aren't superficial. Questions that don't feel like small talk. Questions that pierce through routine and touch something real. These questions dissolve her hesitation, dismantle her emotional armor, and make her feel like she's speaking to a man who actually listens, a man who actually cares, a man who actually sees her. And when you ask these 5 questions the right way with calmness, presence, and stoic self-control, everything shifts. She leans in. Her eyes soften. Her voice becomes warmer. Her energy aligns with yours. Because suddenly, you're not just another man in her day. You're the exception. You're the one who understands something the others do not. Today, you will learn these 5 questions. And once you do, you will understand exactly how to create the kind of emotional depth that women bond to. Before we begin, I need you to understand something essential about female psychology. Something subtle, hidden, and rarely spoken about openly. Women live in a world of emotional contrast. They have conversations every single day, but very few conversations make them feel alive. Most interactions are predictable, repetitive, and shallow. Most men ask the same safe questions, talk about the same predictable topics, and approach connection like a checklist instead of a discovery. Women aren't impressed by this. They endure it quietly, politely, but never with excitement. Now here's the truth that changes everything. Women crave emotional variety. They crave depth. They crave questions that make them think and reflect. They crave conversations that pull them out of autopilot and bring them into the present moment. A woman can feel a connection forming long before she realizes she feels it. It happens in the space created by a meaningful question. A question that opens a door inside her mind. A question that allows her to speak in a way she never gets to speak. A question that reveals her essence, her truths, her experiences, her identity. This is why the 5 questions you are about to learn are so powerful. They don't pressure her. They don't demand anything from her. They simply invite her to step into a deeper version of herself. When you ask these questions, she begins to associate you with emotional clarity, with authenticity, with safety. And women bond through emotional safety more strongly than anything else. She might be attracted to confidence, but she attaches to understanding. She might appreciate looks, but she invests in connection. She might enjoy charm, but she trusts depth. When you ask the right questions, you shift from being a pleasant presence to being a meaningful presence. And meaning is what makes you unforgettable. Meaning is what makes her look at you differently. Meaning is what turns a simple conversation into an emotional imprint she carries with her long after the moment has passed. My name is Amelia, and this is Stoic Self. Today I will teach you the 5 questions women love to answer. Questions that create emotional gravity, psychological depth, and genuine attraction without effort, manipulation, or pressure. These are questions rooted in human truth, not tricks. And once you learn them, your conversations will never be the same. Let's begin. Question 1. What's something you're deeply passionate about, even if you don't talk about it often? This question reaches into her hidden world. Most women have a passion they rarely share. Writing, art, travel, dance, psychology, cooking, fitness, nature, spirituality, healing, creativity. But few men ever ask about it in a way that feels intentional. When you ask this, she doesn't just answer the question. She reveals a piece of herself that is rarely invited out. Her energy changes. She becomes expressive, animated, alive. And here's the psychological secret. When someone talks about their passion, they associate the positive emotion with the person who triggered it. You become the emotional bridge between her inner world and the real world. She feels understood without needing to explain, and that feeling stays with her. Question 2. What kind of people make you feel most at peace? This question uncovers her emotional preferences, her values, and her subconscious needs. Women rarely get asked this, and when they do, they answer with clarity and vulnerability. She will talk about honesty, warmth, patience, humor, integrity, calmness, energy, presence, and as she describes the traits of the people who bring her peace, she is describing exactly what she seeks in a partner. This question allows her to imagine the version of you that fits into her emotional world. When she visualizes peace and you are the one who asks the question, the mind forms a connection between the two. Peace becomes associated with you, and that is a powerful psychological imprint. Question 3. What's an experience that changed you or taught you something important? This question taps into her past, her growth, her evolution. Every woman has a moment that shaped her. Something painful, something beautiful, something difficult, something transformative. When she shares this with you, she is revealing emotional depth. And emotional depth builds trust. Men rarely hear these stories because women only share them when they feel someone is worthy of knowing. When she tells you the moments that changed her, she is letting you into the chapters of her life that built the version of her standing in front of you. This question doesn't just create attraction, it creates emotional intimacy. And emotional intimacy is what women fall for. Question 4. What do you want your future to feel like? Notice the phrasing, not look like. Feel like. This is what makes the question powerful. Women think in terms of emotion, experience, and atmosphere. When you ask her how she wants her future to feel, you force her into reflection. She speaks about freedom, stability, love, adventure, simplicity, balance, growth, joy. This question creates a bridge between her present self and her imagined future. And psychologically, the person who triggers vision becomes connected to that vision. She begins to imagine a future while talking to you, and that is one of the most powerful forms of attraction. Question 5. What's something small that makes your entire day better? This is the softness question, the gentle question, the question that touches her feminine energy. It allows her to express the tiny joys she keeps close to her heart. Warm coffee, a quiet morning, a soft blanket, a kind message, music, a sunset, a peaceful moment alone. This question triggers comfort, and comfort makes her feel safe with you. When a woman feels safe, she naturally becomes more open, more expressive, more affectionate. This question reveals her emotional texture, the small things that matter most to her. And once you know them, you hold a piece of her world. Remember this. A woman reveals her heart to the man who reveals her mind. These 5 questions don't just make her talk. They make her feel. They show her you're not the kind of man who wants information. You're the kind of man who wants understanding, and that is rare. A high-value stoic man is defined not by how much he speaks, but by the depth he creates when he listens. The right question turns a moment into a memory. The right question turns a stranger into a connection. And the right question turns a woman's interest into attachment. If this video gave you clarity, I want to speak to you directly. You're on a path most men never take. The path of self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and mastery of connection. What you learned today isn't just for attraction. It's for leadership, for communication, for confidence, for personal growth. Women remember men who make them feel seen, and the man who listens with intention is the man who leaves an imprint they never forget. Here at Stoic Self, we don't chase women. We don't manipulate them. We don't perform. We evolve. We understand. We lead. You are here because something inside you knows you are meant for more than superficial conversations and temporary connections. You want depth. You want clarity. You want the calm confidence that comes from understanding human psychology. Every week I bring you insights designed to strengthen your mind, elevate your presence, and refine your relationships. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. This channel is your space, your advantage, your source of understanding, and your journey is just beginning. I want you to comment below and tell me which of the 5 questions resonated with you the most. Your voice matters here. Your presence is valued here, and your growth is the purpose of everything we create. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing to grow. And remember, a stoic man doesn't chase connection. He creates the silence where truth appears and lets the right woman step into it. I'm Amelia, and this is Stoic Self. I'll see you in the next video.